Hey, what's up, Theta Network? So why are you selling, my brother? This time absolutely the fail is down, but exactly, my friend, the reason is this is the start of month, and every cryptocurrency in the start of month fails down. So Theta Network holder, don't do any mistake, and please, absolutely, if you follow this channel, so I hope I will give you guarantee to you never loss. So why you are, my friend, fear? Don't see any, my friend, risk. This is absolutely very risky coin, but kindly holder, when they give you a profit, so absolutely they will directly make you millionaire now. They will make you rich man now. So why you are selling? Please remember, my brother, what I talk to. I hope you follow this. I hope, my brother, you will take a very good profit in this month now, because in this month especially a lot of expert, my friends, said is to this month all cryptocurrency is very badly moving, very fastly moving upward. So I hope, my friends, they will move up. I expect this, my friend, from they will move upward, but kindly holder, please don't do any mistake. This time around the last 24 hours, you can see here minus 18.55%, very badly falls down, and you can see this time the price is 6.72 USD dollar. So it's mean the price is come down and the price is going to be very cheap now. But remember, my brothers, to after this fails they will also take a very huge jump now, and I know, my brother, in upcoming time they will give you also very good profit. Let's see, my brother, this time absolutely the situation is going very critical now, but I hope, my friend, the price will completely increase now, and I hope they will give you a very good profit. From last, my friend, 1 month, last 30 days, minus 22.45% they will fail down. So it's mean, my brothers, so this coin is completely in the falls down, and absolutely, my friend, if you want if you take a good profit. So I hope, my brother, just only, my brother, you need to subscribe this channel, my brother. So this time, my brother, please, ABC channel will guide you, update you, but just only you subscribe. And this time the Theta Network again, I hope, my friend, will starting upward, but just only that's need a promo. Absolutely, if a team of Theta Network will collaborate a lot of companies, so I hope, my friends, they will move upward, but definitely, my friend, they cannot move upward if they a holder are starting selling. So thanks for watching Theta Network holder. Please like this video and subscribe this channel for more this type informative videos.